Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus were launched a few months ago, and now new leaks suggest that the company may be working on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite variant. This variant, as the name suggests, will be a mellowed down version of the Galaxy Note 10. It would see a few downgrades in specifications and will be offered a relatively cheaper price points as well. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite camera specifications have been leaked online alongside possible processor details as well. Tipster Ishan Agarwal claimed that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite will be powered by the Exynos 9810 SoC. To recall, the Exynos 9810 is the same processor that powered Samsung's previous gen flagships like the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S9 too. The phone is also tipped to sport a 32-megapixel selfie camera, and the rear camera setup will include a 12-megapixel wide-angle sensor at least. There is no word on the exact number of sensors in the back of the rumored smartphone. If this information is true, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite will see a significant bump in the selfie camera, as both the vanilla Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus offer only 10-megapixel selfie camera up front. However, we recommend you take this leak with a pinch of salt. The phone was ported on Geekbench recently, and it was listed to run on Android 10 and packed 6GB RAM. As far as the performance goes, the phone scored 667 in Geekbench single-core test and put up a tally of 2030 in the multi-core test. Apart from this, nothing else is known about the phone as of yet. A previous report also suggests that the Galaxy Note 10 Lite will be launched in India next month alongside the Galaxy A91.